towards the back, below where you found your chairs, you'll find a kitchen box. So let's run through that. So every vehicle will come with a kitchen box. I'll run you through that real quick. Firstly, we have our cutlery set. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Inside this kitchen box, you will find 4 of everything. So you'll have 4 forks, 4 steak knives. Underneath the cutting board, if I remove that, you'll see we have 4 tablespoons, 4 teaspoons. In this corner over here, we have a corkscrew and bottle opener. Something to peel your braai veggies with. The cutting board, obviously. We have wooden spoon, a spatula, a scissors always comes in handy, a can opener, a big spoon, a bread knife, packed and mobile. What else do we have in here? We have a strainer. We have 2 of these things, which you would use for your gas stoves. There are 2 of them in the vehicle. So let me just do something like that. You will have a kettle and also a bucket just for washing vegetables, washing dishes, and then obviously some braai tongs, essential. So I'll put that over there. Some more goodies on the side. A frying pan. 3 sizes of pots depending on what it is you'll be doing and who you're cooking for. Keeping up with the rule of 4, we have 4 bowls, 4 side plates, and then 4 bigger plates for those tasty braai dinners that you'll be making on your trip. We also have 4 glasses, camping glasses, so they won't break on you. And we have 4 cups as well. And then let's not forget the lids, our pots and pans. Yep, so this is the contents of our kitchen box.